What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Mr. Bossa coming at you with another technology tutorial. Today we're going to be real quick and sweet. We're going to do a how to create screenshots using your computer. So first thing we can do is we can use the snipping tool. Now the snipping tool is found on um, Windows operating systems. If you go down to the search, or I'm sorry, if you go to the start button and then don't click anything, just start typing the word snip, SNIP, and it will come up snipping tool. You just hit open and you'll get the snipping tool feature here. It tells you the snipping tool is moving. It's going to be this snip and sketch, and I'm going to show you that in just a second. But if you do new, it brings it up, and then you can click and drag a box, and whatever you drag will then be in here. Will come up into the dialog box. You can do file save as, or hit the save floppy disk image, and then make sure you take a look at where you're saving it. You can then name it however you wish to name it, and then you can save it. Another way to do it is, I don't want to save that. Another way to do it is use a shortcut to get to snip and sketch. It is the Windows button, Shift and S. So as soon as you press those, your window will go kind of dark, and you're already in drag mode. You have different modes. If you want to do a freestyle drag and stuff, you can do freeform snip there, but you just drag the section you want, and it will pop up down here in this bottom corner. If you click it, it will then open up where you can then draw on it, mark it, whatever you need to do. When you're ready to save it, hit the floppy disk symbol, and then you can choose where you want to save it, and then name it and save it up. All right, simple and easy. See you later. Have a good night.